the letter L is waiting for you there. Look, this is the letter L. The sound it makes is ooh, ooh, ooh. Now let's see what things start with the letter L. Yeah, this one. You can find it on the trees. Leaf, leaf. Ooh, ooh, leaf. Roar, roar. What animal is this one? Anyone knows? This is a lion. Lion. Roar. And this is something you use to scoop your soup. What is it? It's a ladle. Ladle. What is it? Do you know what this one is? Yes, this is lantern. Lantern. Yeah. And what is the name of this beautiful flower? This is a lotus. Lotus. Okay, now I'm gonna ask you something. Do you still remember where the lantern is? Lantern, lantern. Is this a lantern? Yes, it's a lantern. Good job, kid. How about roar? Lion. Lion. This one. Yes, you're right. And leaf. Leaf. Aha. This one. No, miss. I'm sorry. I was wrong. Sorry. Where is leaf? Leaf. Is it leaf? Yes. How about this one? What is this? What? Ladle? Ladle? Yes, you're right. Good job, kids. Now I think you can play it by yourself with your mom at home, okay? Goodbye. Thank you.